What's up, guys? Cheapies, aka Noah, back to bring another video. This time we're doing round 3 of the SNKRFLEA golden ticket mystery box. This time it was $150 compared to the $130 that it has been, because this one has a hoodie in it from Antisocial Social Club. So hopefully it contains a golden ticket. But if you guys seen the past two, there were no golden tickets yet, but this is the third one. This is from September. This video is coming out probably the beginning of November, but there is another mystery box coming out on Halloween, so October 31st. It contains, like, the top prize is the Air Yeezys. You get all 3 of them. So if that happened to me, that'd be insane. But this mystery box has some Dior ones. That's the top hit for all of them. There's a Grateful Dead SB. There's, I think, the green one, the yellow one, $1,000 check, which would be cool because I'd take a free $1,000. A Shower Backboards 3.0s. There's 2 of those. Sean Witherspoon. There's, I think, 2 of those. And then there's some other stuff like a Supreme clothing and Off-White. So hopefully this contains more than just a hoodie, but I do need hoodies because it is getting cold. I think it's like 40 degrees outside today. So hoodie's not bad, and hopefully it's something I like. So let's just get right into opening it. All right, so we have the trusty unboxing knife. Came with the UPS package. I was actually kind of surprised. I was really hoping, because it was in a package, it might be something more than just whatever it has been the last 2 times, just 2 shirts. But then I was like, oh, it's a hoodie. It probably didn't fit in the bags like last time. But this thing doesn't want to open very easily. There we go. Hopefully this could be a really short video if it's just the one hoodie, because I only bought the one box. Where, like, the first one I bought 2, the last one I bought 1. I only bought 1 here this time. So hopefully this has some more excitement to it than just one hoodie. But I have to be able to open up the box first for it to work. All right, box is open. The stressful part of it being potentially just a hoodie, or it has a golden ticket in it. So hopefully it has a golden ticket or something else in it. All right, so can't see the top. Hopefully it's not. There's no golden ticket again. So 0 for 3, unless, let me check the box real quick. Let me just make sure nothing fell out. All right, 0 for 3 with the Antisocial, or the golden ticket mystery boxes from SNKRFLEA. We're gonna keep trying just because I like doing the mystery boxes, and they're not really expensive. I mean, this one was $150, but it's a hoodie. This looks like it's gonna be the Paranoid hoodie. I think it just says Paranoid on the front, and then I think it says Antisocial Social Club on the back. Picture will be up on the screen, but I'll probably actually keep this one because it looks kind of cool, and it's orange. So now I need some orange shoes, but I don't have anything like that. But it is just this one hoodie. Like I said, you can't ever be too disappointed because it is a mystery box. You never know what you're going to get. And you're really just like, you're not gambling because you do get stuff out of it. And you can probably sell it. I don't know what the resell on these. Most of the time, you can make your money back. Haven't actually sold any of the shirts just because I've been lazy in posting them. But once I get to that, like if you guys saw the other videos, there's always been at least either breaking even or a little bit of profit. So hopefully it's the same for this if I don't keep it. But the plan right now is to actually keep it because I think it actually looks kind of cool. I think I've seen this one before. So like I said, you're really just going to hopefully hit the big one of the Dior ones. This time didn't happen once again. But next month, it could always happen. I sound like someone, like a Browns fan. If you guys watch football, Browns fans, is always next year. So there's always next mystery box. But hopefully we change up the mystery boxes pretty soon. I want to buy some other ones because I think they do pretty well, and I like opening them up. But this one was another L. Hoodie came in. I'm not too upset because I also was looking into buying more hoodies. So hoodie came in, but no golden ticket. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me, I guess, what you guys think, and especially if you guys ordered any of these. Tell me what you guys got, and then if you didn't get anything, tell me if you plan on getting the next one. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, thanks guys. I'll see you guys later.